everybody! We're back. We just wanted to share with you what we've been working on. We've been working on turning her old artwork into Valentines to send to all the seniors at the nursing home. So we basically, some of them, we just kind of cut out her artwork in the shape of a heart, and we put it on these really cute little doilies. And then some of them, like this one I didn't cut, I just put the actual artwork on there because it wasn't really that easy to cut it into a heart. And then others were a little bit large for the hearts. So I put them on a piece of paper, kind of just cut out her artwork, and we put these fun little stickers on there. We have all sorts of different ones. We just wanted to share that this is a great way, save the kids' artwork, and you can, not even just for Valentine's Day, but just their artwork is great to pass out at nursing homes or send to a nursing home as well. Now, a lot of these drawings actually were from, I don't know, we were maybe 5 or 6 years old, so we've been hanging on to these for a while, haven't gotten a chance to do them, but we just wanted to share that this is such a fun idea. Oh, this one was so big I had to actually put it on a paper, and then I cut out the heart around there. And then you can add, Happy Valentine's Day. You could put Jesus Loves Me on there. But these are all just fun ways of taking some old drawings, and then, because you get such a collection with the kids and all their drawings and their art projects, and this is a great way to repurpose them and make someone's day and put a smile on someone's face. Well, we hope you get a chance to make someone smile with some of your beautiful artwork.